phenomenal performance we can make out from the trailer. You are the person really who, and the role that you essay of Biranchi Das, the coach of Budhya Singh, played an extremely important role in Budhya doing what he did. He dared him to dream, literally. He made him run. He saw the talent and he followed it. How crucial do you think this coach's role was?
As an actor or as a person?
Both.
Okay.
First as a person, when you analyze his role, and then as an actor when you performed it.
Okay, see, you know, as a person, I feel it will be very difficult. See, I used to teach theatre in schools, and I used to find it quite challenging and, you know, quite demanding to communicate with the children when their energy is all over the place. You know, the last thing that they want to hear is the instruction from you. So for a coach, I believe to train a 5-year-old is very difficult, because to direct him, to give him one direction, to put him in some kind of a discipline is something very challenging for a coach. For an actor, I always maintained a distance from Mayur, who is playing Budhia. At the same time, I was always available to him and all the children who were there in the film. You know, just trying to find a right balance between the actor and the real coach that I was playing, because I wanted these children to feel that I am a coach, you know, on the set also, off the camera too. So I used to give away that much and not more, you know. So all the time maintaining that, you know, that image about myself was very difficult off the camera, because we were meeting for 45 days and behaving in a certain way with the children, not getting carried away by their, you know, innocence, was a quite a difficult task. I told my director also that, you know, I don't want, please don't force me to behave and to make friends with them in the manner that you want me to be friends with them. Because I have my experience with working with children. And I just leave it to me that, you know, I'll be doing everything right when it comes to dealing with them. And it worked. I mean, eventually, when you see the film, Mayur, till now, he comes and holds my hand. But at the same time, Mayur knows that he can't cross a line, you know. So that's how Biranchi was with Budhia, because that's the research that we've done. We've realized that, you know, that's how Biranchi was with Budhia. He was father-like, he was mentor-like, he was guide-like, he was teacher-like, he was friend-like, but he never let him cross a boundary.
It's very interesting